The key fob for your 2015-2018 Nissan Murano uses a CR2032 battery to operate the lock, unlock, and panic functions. When the range decreases or the fob stops working, it's time for a battery replacement. This DIY fix saves you money compared to dealership costs. Expect to replace the battery every 1 to 3 years depending on use. You'll only need a few simple tools for this replacement. First, a plastic pry tool to gently open the key fob case without scratching it. Alternatively, you can use a small flathead screwdriver if you don't have a plastic pry tool. Second, you'll need a new 3V CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery size ensures proper fit and power for the key fob. These batteries cost around $2 to $5 and are widely available online or at auto parts stores. Locate the seam on your key fob, usually near the key blade release. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and gently pry the case open. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently remove the old battery. Some fobs may have a small retaining clip. Use the screwdriver to carefully release it if needed. Place the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the original battery's orientation. Make sure the battery is securely in place. Carefully snap the key fob case back together until it's fully closed. There should be no gaps along the seam. Press the lock and unlock buttons to test if the new battery is working. The LED indicator on the fob should light up. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by resyncing it. Hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds while standing near your vehicle. This helps resolve common syncing issues after a battery change. Another common issue is incorrect battery polarity. Double-check that the positive side of the CR2032 battery faces up when inserting it into the fob. Incorrect orientation can prevent the fob from functioning. If the fob still doesn't work after resyncing and checking polarity, it may require reprogramming. Check your Nissan owner's manual for ignition-based reprogramming steps, or consult a professional mechanic. Firmware issues can sometimes cause problems that need dealer assistance. Here are some final tips, trends, and future outlook for your Nissan Murano key fob battery replacement. First, always double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob. The positive terminal should face up to ensure proper function. Consider using eco-friendly CR2032 batteries with lithium iron phosphate chemistry. These offer better longevity and are more recyclable than traditional options. While newer cars are transitioning to digital keys via smartphone apps and UWB technology, for your 2015-2018 Murano, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective solution. Statistics show a 15% rise in DIY battery replacements from 2020 to 2025, with owners saving an average of $75. About 45% of 2015-2018 vehicle owners have performed this repair themselves. Finally, keep a spare battery for quick fixes. This simple preparation can save time and frustration.